Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? Hopefully everybody's having a good day. A little crazy in the markets. Cryptos are moving pretty good. People are asking, do you think this is the next bull run? What do you think? We'll talk about that here in just a moment. Before we get started, if you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I certainly do appreciate it. If you're thinking about buying gold and silver, or any other precious metals for that matter, head on over to our friends at Money Metals Exchange. The link is down below in the description. When you purchase over there at Money Metals Exchange, you will now be automatically entered into a chance to get free giveaways. This month, you'll be automatically registered to be one of 3 people who will receive 10 ounces. That's 10 silver eagles each. So head on over to Money Metals, make your purchase, and automatically enter to win. For those of you who are unaware, I do have my own webpage. I can be found at Pimpy's News Network. Over here, I do post videos that I can't post on YouTube without getting in trouble. I also have my own Facebook group called Pimpy's Investment Chat. Over here, we do talk about gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as foreign currency investments. So come on over here and join us. It's free to do so. I can also be found over here on Twitter, MeWe, YouTube, Odyssey, and now I'm on Rumble. For whatever reasons, my videos are not showing up on my channel yet, but I can be found just by going to the search button and typing in Pimpy's Investment Chat. And my videos will pop up for you to check out. If I get kicked off YouTube or I get suspended on YouTube, you can find me on any other one of these social media platforms. Oh yeah, this is what we love to see. Crypto's in green. It looks good. Let's see here. We got Bitcoin at $29,629. Ethereum is almost at the $2,000 mark. Not too bad at all. $1,991.77. XRP is at 46 cents. Cardano is at 39 cents. Dogecoin is at 8 cents. Hex is at 6 cents. Polygon is at $1. Solana is at $22.93. Polkadot is at $5.87. Litecoin is at $88.96. Shiba loses at 10. It is back at 4010. Terra Luna Classic is at 30103. It is going back up. It dipped down for just a moment, but it is going back up. Pretty soon it will be in the green just like the other cryptos. So Terra Luna Classic just been hanging around that 3010. It's been the same level now for quite some time. Saitama is at 2010. It's very interesting because the volume over the past 24 hours, it is up 94.34%. Nice. So gold ends up closing out the week above $2,000 at $2,017.60. It did drop $32.70. That's because it started running like a bat out of hell, and the powers that be wanted to make sure they slowed that market down real quick. Same with silver. Silver actually started getting at a $26 range, which is nice. But it closed out the week at $25.67 an ounce. Both gold and silver continue to be really strong in this crisis. So this particular article is concerning. Leave it to the Democrats to come up with something like this. Here's the thing. People don't realize this. There was one Democrat that was pro-crypto. One. He's no longer in office. The Republicans support cryptocurrencies. The Democrats are trying to push for more government control. In other words, they're going to be more intrusive of what you do with your cryptocurrencies. Case in point, New York Attorney General seeks broader authority to police crypto. Proposed legislation would require crypto exchanges to have independent public audits of financial statements, amongst other new requirements. So New York Attorney General Letitia James is proposing new legislation that would give her office more authority to regulate the increasingly tumultuous cryptocurrency industry. Okay, first of all, it's not their damn job to do that. This is a Soros-backed DA. That is the job of the FEC to take care of this. Not her. It's not her job. And this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. The bill would give the Attorney General's office broader enforcement authority over crypto firms that have operations in the state, while codifying the New York State Department of Financial Service authorities to license participants in the sector and oversee the state's digital asset licensing regime. The bill, called the Crypto Regulation Protection, Transparency and Oversight Act, or crypto, will be submitted by Ms. James' office in New York State Senate and Assembly for consideration during the 2023 legislative session, which runs through June 8th. The New York Attorney General, an elected official, is seeking jurisdiction to enforce crypto firms' violations of the law, issue subpoenas, and impose civil penalties of up to $10,000 per violation for each individual or $100,000 per violation for each crypto firm, according to the statement from the Attorney General's office. So the Attorney General is also seeking to shut down businesses who are engaging in alleged fraud and illegalities. Now, pay attention closely to this portion of what this person's saying. They want to be able to shut down businesses that are engaging in alleged fraud. That doesn't mean you have to be found guilty or there's proof that you are dealing in fraud. So they're going to use this bill to interrupt the crypto market as much as possible. All they have to do is have somebody, probably one of their own people, call up and say, hey, this is what this company is doing, and they can shut your firm down. Disruptions in the market like this, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, are damaging. Just a report that a cryptocurrency or an exchange might be involved in criminal activity hurts the cryptocurrency or hurts that exchange. We see it happen all the time. So this Soros-backed district attorney will do anything and everything it could to disrupt the market. Remember, they're not fans of cryptocurrency. They want the central bank digital currency. And this is what they'll use to hurt the market. Just remember that when you're voting. The proposed legislation aims to rein in the crypto industry. Rein in the cryptocurrency industry. That sounds promising. By requiring crypto exchanges to have independent public audits of their financial statements and to reimburse customers that are defrauded. Now that sounds good, but they don't give a crap about the customers, let's be honest. They just need this weapon to slow them down or interrupt the market. That's all they have to do. The bill also looks to restrict conflicts of interest in the industry, such as when the same individuals both issue tokens and own the marketplaces where the tokens are traded. The bill also would require crypto firms to have known your customers procedures and would ban the use of the term stablecoin to market virtual currencies unless their values maintain a 1-to-1 ratio to the dollar. Well, the market fluctuates too much for them to maintain a 1-to-1 ratio. They could be close. If what they're saying is they have to be the same all the time, it's impossible. But I'm guessing that's not what they mean. So that's a good thing, but I still wouldn't give them any kind of authority over crypto industry. The New York State Department of Financial Services, led by the Superintendent Adrian Harris, defended its record and the resources it has poured into its virtual currency unit, saying it was the only prudential regulator with virtual asset-specific authorities in the United States. It is DFS's priority to ensure that consumers and markets are protected, and New York continues to be the global financial center. Yeah, look, anytime these people promise to be looking after your best interests, it's never in your best interest. I promise you that. It's in their best interest is what this article means. Currently, the NYDFS, whose leader is appointed by the New York governor, issues so-called bit licenses to crypto firms that allow them to do business in the state and conduct examinations and enforcement actions on licensed firms. If I was one of these crypto companies, I'd take my ass out of New York and move it to a more crypto-friendly state. The NYDFS, which supervises more than 30 crypto companies in January, notched a $100 million settlement with Coinbase over allegations it violated anti-money laundering laws by allowing customers to open accounts without conducting sufficient background checks. Last August, the department imposed a $30 million fine on cryptocurrency trading units of online broker Robinhood Markets, Inc. for alleged violations of the anti-money laundering and cybersecurity regulations. Ms. Harris said that previously that she seeks to use the state's role as an industry leader to help set the regulatory agenda nationwide. They are pushing the World Economic Forum's policies. Just keep that in mind. The proposed legislation is the latest action taken by Ms. James to crack down on the cryptocurrency market. Her office has also filed suits against a number of crypto platforms, including a suit in March against Kucoin, an overseas crypto exchange for failing to register as a security and commodities broker-dealer. In February, the office sued cryptocurrency platform Coinex, alleging it failed to register as a security and commodities broker-dealer and misrepresented itself as a crypto exchange. See what they do? They disrupt the market. They'll do anything to cause lack of confidence and a disruption in the market. Yeah, this is not what you want. Again, they claim that they're doing something to protect the people, but that's not actually what they're doing. Ms. Jane's office, through various guidelines over the last 2 years, has also repeatedly warned consumers in the risk in crypto investments and the legal obligations for brokers and dealers to register with the office when they do business with digital assets. Notice this? Her office over the last 2 years has repeatedly warned consumers on the risk of crypto. So she is doing what she's told to do to slow down the crypto market, do what you can to cause a lot of distrust and a lack of confidence in the market. Anyways, that's it for now. You guys let me know what you think down below. I look forward to your comments, and I will catch you later. I'm out.